Andrew, bakit nagrereklamo ng gano'n?
Hindi po talaga namin alam, Your Honor.
At kanina sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni you deny all allegations that has been brought against you.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Both of you. Would you know kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganitong kabigat na reklamo sa inyo? Bakit nagre-reklamo Sandro na yung tatay ni Sandro, bakit nagre-reklamo ng gano'n?
Hindi po talaga namin alam, Your Honor.
At kanina sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni Attorney Annette Gozon, ang Vice President ng GMA7, na nag-apologize kayo. What did you apologize for?
Your Honor, ang sabi po namin kay ninyo, we're very, very sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what? What did you apologize?
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
No, why? Kung wala kayong ginawa, sandali lang. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
Ang context po kasi, yung parang, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi, medyo nagugulan ako, medyo may pagka-weirdo.
Yun po yung buong sentence namin.
Sorry, Robin, Hindi, ganito lang, sorry, Robin. Ba't ako magsasorry sa'yo? Anong ginawa ko, di ba?
Kasi buong sentence po siya, hindi lang po siya sorry. Sorry po, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi nyo, pwede bang, kung meron kayo dadagdag doon sa sinabi, why did he apologize? For what?
No.
Senator Jinggoy, ito po sinasabi ko ay talagang umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila. They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice. Para lang masettle yung
Is it true?
Ang sagot ko po sa kanila, ako, tao lang ako. Diyos nga marunong magpatawad. Kaya ko kayong patawarin. Pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo.
Is it true that you were offering something sa charitable institution? Is it true?
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
Huh?
No po, Your Honor.
Oh, they are denying it, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, Ms. Annette Gozon was present during the incident.
Okay. I had an investigation of my own. I will ask both of you. Okay. The gala was held at Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, Jojo Nones and Richard Dode, hindi Dede, are billeted at Belmont, which is a walking distance from Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Jojo texted Sandro if he can come over to the room.
I did not text that po, Your Honor. In fact,
Did you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages You have a copy of the text messages? You sure?
yes po,
Pag
Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan, sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not?
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I
you
am
can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro. All right. And then,
Your Honor,
yes.
siya po yung mismo nagsabi na andyan po ba kayo, sir?
Wait lang. Yeah. We'll go to that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Allegedly, you texted Sandro if you can come over to the room with you. Deny. Yeah, maganda
Yes,
si
Your
Atty.
Honor.
Kapunan. Magaling na abogada yan. Ha? Yeah, but apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied, ha? Ako, base sa investigasyon ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro, the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung just me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then,
Then just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes,
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct?
yes po,
Okay.
Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na. Kasi I didn't want him to think po that
Okay.
anything about
Okay.
the just me text.
After which Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman kinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your
Hmm.
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself. Siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong dyan,
Kaya
sir?
nga. Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga eh. Huwag ka na mag-deny, inibitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
Hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
sinabi mo, tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke. I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But these are
Hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
facts of the case po, Your
Huh?
Honor. These are already facts
So?
of the case po, Your
No,
Honor.
I'm just,
Ito lang po
asking
yung-
you if it's true or false. Wala pa naman tayo sa
There was no
Hindi pa
direct
naman sensitive
invitation.
yung,
There was no direct invitation from me, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was just being polite and kind because he is my friend. But there was no direct invitation po. In fact po, bago po siya na sinabi na akit siya, I said we're wrapping up.
Totoo ba? Do you have a copy of the text messages of Mr. Nones?
We have po, Your Honor.
If I may answer,
Yes, yes.
Your Honor, Attorney Sharina Quintanilla Raz for Sandro. We do have proof of that, but we cannot show that at the moment because it is with the NBI. And as this explained earlier, the NBI is safeguarding the confidentiality of the pieces of evidence.
Do you
in
have
this
any
case.
representative from the NBI here? Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Zuleika Marie Esconales, the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Do you have the copy of the text messages? The conversation?
The complainant already submitted pieces of evidence to support his complaint, Your
So-
Honor.
You cannot share it with the committee?
With all due respect, Your Honor, for purposes of confidentiality, because of pending investigation, we are
All right.
keeping the same,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Of course. I
Thank
will
you, Your
respect that. Okay, at that time, nung umakyat na rin si Sandro, kasi when you invited him, Sandro was in his room together with his girlfriend. And apparently, Sandro informed his girlfriend that he was going to the room of Jojo and company. Upon entering the room, Sandro was surprised since it was only Jojo and Richard who were there in the room, correct? Correct.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung na-surprise si Sandro din. Hindi. Yeah,
No,
hindi po
umakyat si Sandro sa kwarto
We were-
ninyo. He was surprised upon seeing only both of you.
Well, he wasn't surprised po, Your Honor. Wala po kami
Kasi ang
ganyang
sinabi mo
knowledge.
dun sa text messages, I am with people from the creatives group.
No po, sir. My exact message was just, we're wrapping up na. GMA Drama Peeps referring to me and Dode, but we're wrapping up na.
Okay,
So,
that's your word.
yes.
Malalaman naman natin sa investigation sa NBI yan. Did you offer Sandro glass of wine?
No, Your Honor, when he arrived, he asked if we could drink the wine that was there on the ledge.
Did you give a 500 peso bill which was wrapped like a straw?
No, Your Honor.
Hmm?
No, Your Honor.
And apparently you poured a powder substance,
No, Your
powdery
Honor.
substance.
No, Your Honor. Your Honor, these are already very details that need to be discussed in an
Your Honor,
executive
if I may,
session.
Your Honor. I think, Your Honor, these matters are part of the allegations of the complainant, Your Honor, which are now under validation of the NBI, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, we were also advised by the NBI with regard to that the own allegations of Mr. Sandro Mulak, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, are still under validation, even this allegation of the 500 peso bill and the alleged substance, Your Honor. So I don't know if the NBI would allow us to answer that questions, considering that the NBI also asked us not to disclose anything, even our counter allegations with respect to these matters, Your Honor.
You were requesting for an executive session. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Chair, I move that we hold this in an executive session.